This is Dr. Blumenthal again here at Bethesda, Maryland Natural Transplants office, and this is another scar video. Patient wanted to remain anonymous, but we just took out the stitches, so we're about 10 days post-surgery, and obviously we feel much better with the stitches out, but some of these sections you can't even see where it was. It's just a tiny little line right here. Right there, tiny little line. And we like to show the videos because, again, this is pretty typical for us. All the way around. Can't even see it in some parts, and once that swelling from the stitches resolves and the hair grows back, she's never going to see this. So try to ease some tension and anxiety from people, because this is a big deal when they hear about the scars and they see some really bad scars online. It's not coming from these offices. All right.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.